Hey, it's Rachel here with WTI, and these are the perfect socks for trekking or hiking. These are Wrightsocks, and they're the cool mesh. They're specifically designed to prevent blisters. I bought these for my husband in the color gray. They do have a bit of a bluish tone, which I think is really nice. They're so comfortable. The reason that I bought them, we were looking for something that was anti-blister, something that was really durable, but also moisture wicking, lightweight, and would be really good for very long treks. Definitely we were worried about blisters, and these socks have been great. As you can see, these have a double layer, but they're so incredibly lightweight, so they're very comfortable. The heel and the toe are also reinforced. They hit above the ankles, so they're really comfortable. If you're going on a long trek, you're gonna be happy you bought these. So if you're looking for a comfortable sock for hiking or trekking, you've gotta try these ones out. There's so many good things about these socks. I love them, my husband does too, and that's our point of view.